Hi guys, so today we learn how to make money online. So today there's a website that do pay you to view ads. Okay, so when you view ads, you'll be able to earn money. And the name of the website is faucetcrypto.com. So let me show you the website faucetcrypto.com. Okay, see it here, faucetcrypto.com. You can see the name of the website faucetcrypto.com. So you click on it, you sign up. Then when you click on it, let's click on it. You can see create an account. You create an account, put in your name, your email, your password, and confirm. Then you register. After register, then you log in. Good. Okay, this is my account now. My balance is 101.18 coins. So when I get to 1,500 coins, I'll be able to withdraw. Okay. So to be sure that maybe this website is legit or not, let me show you my withdrawal history before we go into it. Okay, you can see my last withdrawal was made on the was made last year. That was 2022 11 2027. So I withdraw Dogecoin of 1.2. You can see, let me just show you everything. You can see the withdrawal coins. I withdraw 3,000 coins, 2,800 coins. Okay, you can see I withdraw ETC, TRS, Litecoin, BCH. You can withdraw different kind of crypto. You can see, and many more. You can see BCH, Dogecoin, TRS. You can see again Litecoin. Many, this site is really paying. They are paying. So what to do to earn coin? You can see 10 Dogecoins was being paid to me. That was last year. That was 2020. Last 2 years ago, that was 2020. So this site is very legit. So, and to be able to earn UV, to be able to earn coins, so you view BTC advertisement, these social jobs, CPX surveys, offers and challenges. So let me show you the BTS advertisement, how it work. Okay, good. You watch these ads for 40 seconds and you'll be given what 26.80 coins. So let's okay. And many more, there are many here you can watch. You can see you can be able to earn 1,000 coins in a day if you are really serious about making money. You can also do special jobs. Okay, they're not available here, but surveys also is also available. You can do surveys. You can see you earn 1,200, 250 coins doing just this survey. You can see you can even earn more than 1,500 coins and you can even withdraw today. Offer was is also there. You can see you download apps, you do navigate to this one. Okay, good. You do the survey, you earn 5,000 coins. You understand? So that's just it. You do offer was you also earn your coins. Then you can also claim reward every 30 minutes. Okay, you claim reward every 30 minutes viewing ads. So let's do this one. Please click on the similar button in the following order. Okay, we have store. Okay, good. We have barber. Boom. We have range and we have hospital. Then let's get our reward. Okay, good. You see, I've been able to earn 19.40 coins and my balance now is 120. So thank you for watching. You see my Bitcoin. I can also withdraw in Bitcoin. You see, the coin is total to 0.00000017 BTC. So once it's, you can see the timer again. Once it's another 30 minutes, I can come in here to claim another reward. So that is just it. This website is really ready, and you also can also refer. You earn 20%. You see, 8 registered users. You can see you refer people to join. You can see. You understand? So when they are doing like what they are watching ads, you earn 20% on what they gain on their coins that they gain. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more YouTube videos analysis like this. Bye. 5 minutes after.